Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Naked Ninja with a quick unboxing of another Wyze product. This is another affordable product from Wyze that they're getting into with their smart products, and that is the Wyze bulb colors. So this is a 4-pack. It was on pre-order. I think you still can get them for under $35, I think, for 4 light bulbs that color change, standard light bulbs. But yeah, there's 4 packs of 60 milli colors dopable 4-pack. How much power it uses, what's in the box. It works with Google, Alexa, IFTT, iOS too. Set to move with the Wyze color bulb color. You can always have the perfect ambience, whether you're watching up or winding down. Yeah, cool. 60 milli colors, color temperature of 1800K to 6500K. 1100 looms, 75 equivalent. That's pretty good. Dimmable up to 30 looms. IFT enabled. Wyze device compatibility, so that might be interesting. Where it could possibly, just speculating, camera senses someone or something, and it said it create a rule with it, and it turns the light on. Multi-bulb capability, easy setup. Supposedly works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Set timers, automations, and schedules. So yeah, there's the box. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got. Yes, I know I could just cut it. I like to not tear it up too bad. I'm just worried about that, things like that. Alright. Oh, very straightforward. Looks like 4 light bulbs in here. Let's see what we got. Need help? Contact them. Yeah, interesting story. That video doorbell I have had problems with the connectors on the back for the low voltage connection on the terminals, and they're pretty much crap. Contacted them, told them exactly what the problem was. It was defective right out of the box. I waited forever. I'm sorry for this rant. But yeah, it took them forever to get back to me. Then they sent me some automated message saying, tell us your problem, after I did tell them the problem. And it was just an irritation. So, but I did find another way to power it up, which you'll see in another video. And I said, you know what, I'm not going to deal with the support. So, I guess, hopefully it gets better in the future, but I haven't had good rapport with their help department, support department. So what's in the box? The bulbs, quick start guide. Make sure the power is off when you install or remove the light bulb. Do not use product with a dimmer switch. Okay, that sucks. You can't use it with dimmers. That's okay. And that's about it for the most part. Nothing too major. Cool. Let's see what these things look like. Oh, no, I got another badge. Oh yeah. A backed Wyze bulb color. Fancy. Yeah, I'll set that right there. I'll put it over here. Alright. So let's see how it comes. Standard bulb socket for us. Wyze color. Yeah. Bulb tells the voltage 120 volts. It pulls only 1/12 of an amp. Oh heck yeah. Same thing as a 12 watt going up to, and it says equivalent to a 75 watt according to the packaging. The lumens, 1100 lumens, pretty bright. 1800K to 6500K colors. Yeah. Looks like you get 4 of them. Sweet. So I'm excited to put these on. I'm going to put one of these behind my TV. Change it up instead of using the light strip and use that as a backlight, for when watching movies and stuff like that. So, cool. Yeah. Put that back in there. You get 4 of them with the pack. Like I said, I think it's a great deal, honestly. Oh, let's get that right so we come back in there so I don't crush it. Come on, get in there. There we go. Sweet. So yeah, that is the new Wyze bulbs color. 60 milli domables, 4-pack. Like I said, it's under $35. They are on pre-order, so get them while you can. I mean, I can't complain with most of their stuff except for that one issue with my Wyze video doorbell. But for this amount of money, for 4 different color bulbs, equivalent to the stuff out there, and what it is and what it's capable of, supposedly, it's a win-win for me. So I'm excited to use it. But yeah, that's the unboxing for it. As always, guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my comment, please subscribe. And you guys have a great day. Bye.